Okay, children, today we are going to study the remaining part of the poem, The Ice Cream Man. In the first two stanza, we studied that the ice cream man in summer season, he comes with his little cart in the street, and all the students are rushing out to buy the ice cream. Okay, so now move to the third stanza. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. Okay, now vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. What are these? Vanilla flavored ice cream is a very sweet ice cream that is white in color. Then what about chocolate? We already know what is chocolate flavor. The brown sweet chocolate bar, it's very familiar to us. Okay, then what about strawberry? Strawberry, it's a small fruit that is in pink color. So, strawberry ice cream is pink in color. Okay, children, can you think what are the other fruits that we get in summer? Okay, let me give you some hints. It is also used to make ice cream and it is mostly yellow with orange shade. It is very juicy and sweet. Yes, you guessed it right. It is mango. Okay, so here this ice cream man has also some chilly things to drink in his cart. Do you remember some sweet flavored ice drinks? Okay, these ice drinks are chilled. What does chilled means? Chill means very cold. Okay, moving on to the next line. From bottles full of frosty fizz. Now, frosty is another new word for you. It spells Frosty. It means frozen. When we put water in freezer, it will become frozen. That it turns into ice. So, here the water changes into ice. So, that is frozen. And fizz is the gas that added to the chilled drink. Whenever we open the cold drink, we see many gas bubbles coming from it. That we call it as fizz. Fizz. Moving on to the next line. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. Now, these drinks available in different colors like green, yellow, pink, orange. Okay, so here the ice cream man, he carries different cold drinks in different colors like green, orange, white, and pink. Now coming to the last stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. Okay, once again, his cart might be a flower bed. Okay, children, it's a very beautiful line. Here, the poet compares the ice cream man's cart with a bed of flowers. Why do you think she does so? Okay, see the next line. Of roses and sweet peas. We all have seen flowers, especially the roses. They are used to make garlands and also offered to God during the time of prayers, right? Then, what are sweet peas? It is also a flower. It is small in size and comes in different shades like pink and red and violet. Okay, so this cart is looked like a bed of flower of roses and sweet peas. Okay, then moving to the next line, the way the children cluster round. So here also a new word, cluster. Cluster is a new word. That is, first we learn how to spell it. Okay, cluster, Cluster. Okay, it means to stand closely together in a group. Okay, children, now we do not stand together in a group. It's not allowed. We know that coronavirus is outside waiting just for us. You should not do that. Okay, you just stand away from others and never ever join in a crowd. Okay, remember it. Okay, moving on to the last line. As thick as honey bees. Have you ever seen how birds flies together in the sky? Okay, then what about bees? Have you seen they flying and buzzing in a group? And how do they buzz? Right? So similarly, when the children saw the ice cream man, they are very excited and they joined in a group and they clustered around the ice cream man, just like the group of honeybees. Okay, so the poet has compared the ice cream cart to a bed of flowers, and the children is compared to as a group of bees that attracted to the flowers. Okay, so the poet compared the ice cream man's cart with a flower bed because he carries different flavors of ice creams and frosty fishes. Then when the children saw the ice cream man, they come out from their houses and they stand closely together in a group. Okay, here the poet compares the children as the honeybees that attracted to the flowers. Okay. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the entire poem. Now we will listen once again the poem. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. Okay, children, once again I am giving you the new words. Blaze, its meaning is bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Okay, then mounds, another word is mounds, its meaning is heap. Then next word is frosty fizz, that means chilled drink making a hissing or bubbling sound. Okay, then last word is cluster, group of similar things or gather around. Okay, okay, children, I hope you understood the entire poem. Okay, if you have text, please open the page number 3. If you don't, it doesn't matter, you can still hear the poem. Okay, thank you.